Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified video training tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to link your WooCommerce products in your existing WooCommerce store into Dropified if you're just getting started using our service. So before we can actually start automating your orders with Dropified, you have to link your existing products to Dropified. Now it's a pretty easy process, but I'm going to step you through it in this video so that way you know exactly how to do it as quickly as possible. So I'm going to get started by logging into WooCommerce. So this is my dashboard, and I'm going to go into the products I have. For the sake of this video, as an example, I've set up something called Phone Case. And this is going to be the product that we are linking to Dropified. So as you can see, I added a product photo, named it Phone Case. It's very simple. Yours is probably going to have more information, but I'm not actually making orders, so this is pretty simple and we'll get the job done. So let's update it and just go back to my dashboard now. So now to actually link the product into Dropified, we have to go over to Dropified itself. So once you've logged into Dropified, we're going to go over to Saved Products under the Products tab in the left-hand side menu. And we're going to go find our store. Mine's called The Good Stuffs. And as you can see, this button right here says Import from WooCommerce. This button is going to give you a list of all the products that Dropified sees in your store that need to be linked. So I'm going to press this button. And as you can see, Phone Case shows up at the top because it's the most recent. You can look into all of your products here, but this is the one we're linking for the example. So I'm going to press Phone Case. So now Dropified is going to ask you for the supplier product link. Now to get this, we have to go into AliExpress or wherever our product is from. And in my case, it's from AliExpress. This is the silicone case. As you can see, this is the product photo I used on my WooCommerce store. And we just copy and paste this entire URL into here. Now, this is going to automatically populate the supplier name and the store link, and that way we can link the product so that Dropified knows where the product is coming from. So we press Save, and after doing that, it's going to open up a window that will let us edit all of the information in our store. So as you can see, Phone Case, we can set the price, we can set the compare it price, we can set the type, tags, anything like that. We can change the description here. We can add more product photos. And so basically this makes a two-way communication between Dropified and your WooCommerce store. So for instance, if I change the title to The Nicest Phone Case You Ever Did See, and I press Update in WooCommerce, if we go back to WooCommerce and go back to our products, we're going to see that the name has updated to The Nicest Phone Case You Ever Did See. So that's going to be the case for any of the different things we edit in Dropified. So that way you don't have to worry about it not connecting or anything like that. As long as you press Update in WooCommerce, anything you change in here will go over to your store and changes will be reflected almost instantly. So from here you can also look in here and set up the variants. If your products come in different colors, you can duplicate the products, you can look at the original product listing. It's a bunch of different options. You can play around with that, but this was the process on how to link your existing product into Dropified. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, you can always leave it down in the comments below if you're watching on YouTube, or you can reach out to our customer service if you're having further issues. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.